Let me show you what this bad boy can do. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Titanium Man Garage, and today I want to show you issues, shifting issues on a Sportsman 500. Now, if you're the type of person that likes to keep your ATV outside or in a barn, and you're in a cold area like Wisconsin, I'm in Wisconsin, and the other day it was 11 below with the wind chill. It was like 20 below. Customer complained that his shifter wasn't shifting. So I'm going to show you a little trick on what to do to resolve that issue. In the past, they posted other videos that had to do with adjusting the shift linkage. I'm in a heated garage right now. This thing shifts beautifully. So what happens is, if you want to come over here. So what happens is there's this rubber boot and it likes to leak. Sometimes water gets in there. This is filled with oil. So I'm going to show you how to take it apart, and usually water gets in there and freezes up, and then it doesn't want to shift. So I'm going to take these 4 bolts off. The older models had a different screw. It was the Torx, the T25. So when you take this off, be careful because there is either 2 or 4 springs. I don't remember. So I'm going to take this apart and show you how to repair it. Make sure you're in neutral when you do this. I go slowly because there are springs in there. And if you lose them, they're pretty easy to figure out where they go. All right, so you see there is oil in there. There probably is some water in there. So I'm going to take a rag, and you see the springs right here. And then this and this right here sit in here and here. And then this pushes on your shift lever. So let me grab a rag, wipe that all out, and I'm going to refill it with oil. Just so I don't lose these, I'm going to remove these. Let me grab one more rag. Yeah. Can you see? Is there lighting in there? All right. There's another spring laying there. So this shifter ball goes in between here and here, and that's what pushes in and out on your shifter. I'm gonna have to figure out where that spring goes. I think it goes over here, but I'm gonna refill that with oil, put this back together, and then that should cure that guy's issue. Okay guys, so there's actually 4 springs, 2 here, 1 goes here, and the other one's here. When I took it apart, this one was missing, so that tells me somebody had this apart at one time. So I'm just going to add some oil in there so it doesn't freeze up. Just about, it's probably a little too much, but it'll work. Let me take a little of that out, and then I'll put the cover back on, and it shouldn't freeze anymore. Here. Now once again, these 2 little prongs, and that's where the springs sit on. I don't have another spring for the side, and it did function without it, so I'm just gonna put it back the way it was. I'm not putting them all the way down. I'm just putting each one in halfway, and then I'm going to do a crisscross pattern to tighten them down. Pause it.
this one down.
You can see that's lubed up as well now. So that should cure that guy's issue. It won't freeze up anymore. And so you guys know that's how it's done. So I hope this little tip helped you guys out. If you have freezing issues, keep that in mind. If you leave it outside in cold weather, you're going to have issues. So hope this helped you out. And like always, till next time.